Imagine a vital highway inside your heart suddenly becoming blocked. Blood can no longer reach the muscle that keeps you alive. This is coronary artery disease, the world's leading cause of death. Traditionally, surgeons open the chest, stop the heart, and perform bypass surgery. It works, but the recovery is long and the procedure is invasive. Today, however, medicine is entering a new era, where robotic precision and minimally invasive techniques are transforming how surgeons restore blood flow to the heart. Coronary artery disease develops slowly over many years. Fatty deposits called plaques build up inside the coronary arteries, narrowing the pathway for blood. As the arteries shrink, the heart muscle begins to starve of oxygen. Patients may feel chest pain, breathlessness, or fatigue. But in many cases, the blockage remains silent until a heart attack occurs. For decades, doctors have relied on two major treatments: stents inserted through catheters, or open heart bypass surgery. Traditional coronary artery bypass grafting requires opening the chest through a large incision. Surgeons temporarily stop the heart and connect the patient to a heart-lung machine. A healthy blood vessel from another part of the body is then grafted around the blocked artery to restore blood flow. While this surgery saves lives, it comes with significant trauma, longer hospital stays, and weeks or even months of recovery. Many patients suffer from complex coronary disease involving multiple blocked arteries. In these cases, stents alone may not be sufficient, and traditional bypass surgery may be too invasive or risky for some individuals. Doctors needed a solution that combined the strengths of both techniques while minimizing trauma to the patient. This challenge led to the development of hybrid coronary revascularization, an innovative approach that combines minimally invasive bypass surgery with catheter-based stent procedures. Instead of opening the entire chest, surgeons perform a small robotic-assisted bypass to the most critical artery, while cardiologists treat other blockages using stents. The result is a powerful combination: precision surgery with minimal invasion. Robotic surgical systems allow doctors to operate with extraordinary precision. The surgeon sits at a console and controls tiny robotic arms equipped with surgical instruments and high-definition cameras. Through small incisions between the ribs, the robot reaches the heart without opening the chest. This magnified view allows surgeons to perform delicate bypass grafting with remarkable accuracy. After the robotic bypass is completed, cardiologists treat additional blockages using catheter-based angioplasty and stents. A thin tube is guided through blood vessels to the heart, where a tiny metal scaffold expands inside the narrowed artery. This restores blood flow instantly without major surgery. Together, these two techniques form the hybrid solution. Hybrid coronary revascularization offers several advantages. Patients benefit from the long-term durability of a bypass graft to the most important artery, while avoiding the trauma of full open heart surgery. Smaller incisions mean reduced infection risk, less pain, and shorter hospital stays. In many cases, patients return to normal activities weeks earlier than with traditional bypass procedures. Not every patient is a candidate for hybrid bypass surgery. Cardiologists and cardiac surgeons carefully evaluate each case using imaging scans and medical history. This collaborative heart team approach helps determine whether the patient's anatomy and disease pattern are suitable for robotic bypass combined with stenting. For many patients, recovery after hybrid bypass is significantly faster. Because the chest bone remains intact, mobility returns quickly and complications are reduced. Studies suggest that combining robotic bypass with stenting can deliver excellent long-term blood flow while minimizing surgical trauma. It represents a major step towards safer cardiac care. The evolution of heart surgery is moving toward precision, technology, and minimally invasive care. Hybrid coronary revascularization demonstrates how robotics and interventional cardiology can work together to solve complex cardiac disease. As technology continues to advance, procedures that once required major surgery may soon be performed with extraordinary precision and minimal disruption to the human body.